Android copy paste not working problem. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, let us understand why the Android copy paste is not working. So a lot of times it might be due to the keyboard as well. So just first of all go to the settings and then tap on additional settings. Here tap on languages and input and then tap on the current keyboard. Make sure that you have turned on for your Gboard. After that, you can manage your keyboard by selecting any of the keyboard that you feel more comfortable with. Then what you have to do is just go to the Play Store application and make sure that you have the latest version of the Gboard application on your device so that you do not have any sort of glitches while using the application over here. So as you can see, the Gboard is already installed and you have the latest version. So what you're going to do is you're just going to go back and then tap on the settings again and then make sure that you have the latest version of the software that you are using on a device. So go to about phone, and as you tap on about phone, just check if there are any updates available for your device's software. As you can see, there's no updates available, so we're going to go back and then tap on the power button, make a long press and then tap on reboot and restart your device, and this might solve your issue. So thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.